Welcome to my channel. So I'm just gonna make a quick review on the Lasko Weather Shield box fan. It has a thermostat on the top here, so when it hits a certain temperature the fan will turn on or will turn off. There are 3 speeds to this, which is low, medium, and high, and then this is off. This fan is a little bit more fancier than the other regular ones that are kind of cheaper because due to the thermostat that's on the top right here, it's the same size as the regular box fans. And it's easy to clean as well. It has the screws here, right here. There's one in the corner there, corner here, and at the bottom's down there. So you could clean the fans and then get into the blade. Alright guys, so I'm going to just turn it on. Right now it's off. So once the temperature gets to a certain amount, you see how it stops? And it's on green, so I'm just gonna put the temperature up a little bit more so it can get a little cooler. And the fan turns right back on and the light turns off. So when it hits that temperature that is desired, then it will turn right off, just like it's turning off right now. And then I can also change the modes that I want the fan to be on. This is the low. This is the medium. This is high. And then off. Alright, so again, so once the temperature changes, it would turn on and turn off, depending how cool it is in the room. If you have any more questions, you could just leave me a comment below. Please like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to check out my other videos. I actually have another video at the top that will show another fan from the Lasko family. And don't forget to hit that notification bell.